Mm-hmm.
What do you see? These cookies. Let's see if he drink the milk. Yep, he did. He gets to meet all of the stars.
Did you see?
Yeah.
He wrote back to you on your note.
Oh. Thanks for milking cookies. S.C. He actually brings like a green marker or something with him to write notes back.
Hmm.
I think he put a lot of presents under the tree for the sweet note that I wrote.
You think that's why?
Yeah. He even put presents in my stocking.
Oh.
But he didn't put any in yours.
Maybe he put some coal.
Let's see. No, he didn't put anything.
All right, well, then maybe that's good. All right. Tell everyone Merry Christmas.